that NASA will crash a spacecraft into an asteroid.
I saw that. That's interesting.
The spacecraft is about the size of a golf cart and will intentionally smash into a tiny asteroid at about 14,000 miles per hour today.
And what is the idea behind that? I'm just curious as to where they're going with this.
Well, it's humanity's first test of our ability to deflect dangerous incoming space rocks.
Okay.
And NASA currently knows the location and orbit of roughly 28,000 nearby asteroids.
Okay.
And now, to be clear, scientists have found no asteroid that poses an immediate threat to human civilization.
That's good to hear.
Yeah. But experts say that it is a matter of when, not if, Earth finds itself on track to be hit by
An asteroid,
right. And so today it's a test of whether such a impact, or nudge as they could say, could one day divert a rogue space rock headed for Earth.
And now I got to ask a question.
Yeah.
How big is the rock they're going after here in comparison to the size of the thing they're throwing at it? You said it's the size of a golf cart?
No, that's the spacecraft. And
right.
And I don't know exactly how big this asteroid is. It's a tiny one.
Okay.
It's not a great big one.
Okay, but I'm just thinking something the size of a golf cart to move something in outer space. I'm just curious as to how fast it has to hit it and how big the impact's got to be.
It's going to hit it today at 14,000 miles per hour.
Per hour.
If you've ever driven a golf cart, that's a lot faster than a golf cart.
Yeah, you're moving.
Yeah. And today is a test of whether such a nudge could one day divert a rogue space rock headed for Earth. And the little spacecraft is $308 million worth of our taxpayer money.
Oh, boy, and we're just going to blow it right into an asteroid.
Yeah. And it traveled 6.8 million miles from Earth to Dimorphos, which is a small asteroid orbiting the asteroid Didymos.
Okay.
Yeah,
we don't know where those names came from, folks. They just happened.
I think some rapper named the bigger Didymos.
Yeah.
Live today, Didymos. Anyway, a live stream of images captured by the spacecraft will be available on NASA's website beginning at 4:30 our time today. And the impact is expected to occur around 6:14 our time this evening.
All right.
I gotta see what that looks like.
Well, and then I'm just curious how they're going to measure all that and everything else. But I don't want to get into a physics lesson here either. But
yeah,
it's just kind of interesting that something that small, but going at that many miles an hour, I imagine it'd make a dent, that's for sure.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, scientists expect the collision to change the speed of Dimorphos by a fraction of just 1%.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
And now, you asked how big this asteroid is. Dimorphos is around 525 feet in diameter.
Okay.
So, 520, that's about the size of a football field, isn't it?
100 yards is a football field, so that's
about 5 football. So
about 2 football fields.
2 foot. Okay, yeah, that's right.
1 2/3.
Gotcha.
Actually,
yeah. So that tells you the size of it.
Okay.
And the spacecraft itself weighs 1,376 pounds.
Okay.
So it's like Oklahoma linemen coming in.
Yeah, they hit a Nebraskan right now. I know. Yeah. I've had that feeling the last few games. Had to bring that up, didn't you? I was feeling fine till then.